What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Corrupted C from Alphabet Lore. Let's begin today's lesson on the left side of our page with the eyes. We're going to start up here with a straight line coming down the middle in between the eyes. Now let's draw on the top edge of the right eye. So from the top of this line, curve this up and then out. It's going to round out the side of the eye. Then we'll connect the inside to the outside with another curve, coming down and then up. Now let's move over and draw in the left eye. Starting from the top, then this up and then out. Come down and in along the bottom. And then we'll round out the bottom, coming down and in toward the center line. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the outside edge of the C. We're going to start on top of the left eye, bend this up, go all the way across, and slightly down on the right. Just flatten off the end with a straight angle line coming down and then in. Now you want to follow this curve along the bottom, going up, and then bring that down on top of the right eye. Now you're going to line up the outside edge underneath the left eye, come down along the bottom, go across. I'm just going to bend that up towards the end. Let's flatten off the end, going up and in with an angled line. Let's go back underneath the right eye, curve the inside, coming down and then out. Now let's draw the top row of teeth. From the side of the right eye, bend this up and then out, and go straight up underneath. Let's separate the teeth with 3 lines. We're going to start right in the middle, coming down, and then we'll add one more on either side. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting on the left, I'm just going to angle this up and over towards the right, angle this back down towards the bottom. Let's separate the teeth with 2 lines. I'm just going to angle this down on the outside, step in, draw that again. Now I'm going to place that drip effect across the C. Let's start from the top left, come down and up, around at the top, come down, up, and then out towards the top of the C. Let's add that drip across the top of the teeth, starting from the top of the right eye, then it's up, come down, go up. Let's add a few more bumps going out towards the right side. Let's add those drips coming down from the top teeth down towards the bottom. We'll start from the side of the right eye, then it's in, back out, step over, come in, and then out. Let's open up the bottom, going up, and then back down. Now you leave a gap and draw another drip, starting up here, come down, and then in, back up to the top, step out, come down, and then out. Now that drip is going to come down along the bottom. Let's start from the inside, go out and down, go out and then back down. Now you want to work our way over towards the right side. Starting down here, going up and in, go up, round at the top, and bend that out towards the right. Bend this back down towards the bottom, and just round this out. Let's go to the outside, come down and out, then it's back down and then out along the bottom. Then we'll open up the center, going up, come down, and then out. Let's add a little pull along the bottom, starting on the left side, and round this out, come in across the bottom, bend this down, and go across. Bend this back up and out, and bend that back in underneath the C. Now you want to fill the inside of these drip areas with some horizontal and vertical rectangles. Let's start from the outside, at the very top, and just work our way across, and just vary the size and shape. Go across the bottom, going across the bottom drip. down towards the bottom pool. Just add a few along the bottom. Just working our way across from left to right. Now let's go back and fill the inside of these drips, working our way around those shapes. And we're also going to fill in the inside 2 teeth. Let's add a few glitch effects going around the outside. So with these horizontal rectangles, adding some on the inside. On the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Corrupted C from alphabet lore. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then you might want to check out this video over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.